Hi guys, videc01 here. Today I'm going to be building another PC in this Corsair Spec 03 Carbide series case. Right, the motherboard will be a B150M Night Elf from MSI, utilising the B150 chipset. It's an 1151 socket, which is Skylake. Not a Core i7. It's actually a Core i5 6400, again 1151, LG 1151. Power supply will be from Corsair, the CX550M 80 watt bronze. Memory will be the Vengeance LPX 8GB pack with 2 sticks of 4GB at 2400 MHz DDR4. Be using a Sandisk SSD Plus 250GB hard drive and a 2TB Western Digital mechanical drive. The graphics card is going to be obviously a GTX 1070 from MSI Founders Edition, and of course, just because I can, a DVD rewriter. So, if we're ready to do this, I'll be back in a bit. Boom, people, there we go. For anybody who's interested in who built that. Right there.
The girl who failed IT in college and blew up about 6 of these, but hey. When you turn it on and it smokes, you pretty much know you've failed.
Well, yeah. This one didn't smoke.
True.
Yeah, again, over the years, computer building has become a lot easier. And your basics just like, we call it as adult Legos now.
Well, yeah, because it names.
Yeah.
You just put where it says
Everything's named or colour-coded. No sticking fingers in fans.
Will it actually hurt?
Yes.
Oh.
There we go. Now all I've got to do is the fun part of all the cable management round the back. So there. Anyway.
Bye.
Thanks for watching, subscribing, like, dislike the video, leave a comment, and I'll catch you all again in the next video.